Hi, I've been assembling some IKEA racks and slats, and I found them very hard to assemble. I want to give a few tips, and I'll be assembling one. My general tip is use more force. You're going to be banging it together, and you're going to be banging it some more. So just use a mallet and maybe even ear protection. Alright, so there should be 2 of these and 4 slats. And you have to insert the slats into these rails with a lot of force, because they won't go in. So you just push down really hard, all your weight. And then that's where you start using the hammer, because all your weight might not be enough, which is ridiculous, but there you go. So yeah, use more force. More force. More force. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to do the dowel part, and the answer again is more force. So you get your dowels out. So I'm going to start by tapping them in with the mallet. If you do have a piece of wood, it can be good, but if you have a rubber mallet, it's also fine. So again, the answer is more force, so I'll start with more force. So I'm going to tap 8 of these in with this. Okay, but you may have noticed that these are not flush yet. So the answer is I have not applied enough force yet. So my final tip for you is more force. So I'm going to use a C-clamp to drive all 8 of these in to make them flush. And once again, more force is the answer here.